So I think the biggest frustration that I have when I go and travel and take photos while I'm traveling is editing the photos, right? It sucks to have to make that decision of what equipment that you're gonna bring with you. So today I'm gonna show you with the Nikon Z6 how you can take the photos that you've taken and edit them on your phone. Now, this isn't just like transferring a JPEG over, this is transferring the actual raw photo from your Nikon Z6 onto your iPhone and editing the raw photo on your iPhone. So let's just jump right into it. This isn't gonna work on any of your older style phones, so you gotta make sure that you have a newer Android or Apple iPhone. You're gonna need two apps. The first app is the Nikon Snapbridge app. The second app is the Adobe Lightroom Mobile. So the first thing that you're gonna do is choose Menu, then you're gonna navigate to the little wrench icon, and about almost to the bottom, you'll see Connect to Smart Device, okay? So we'll click that on. Don't worry about the Bluetooth pairing. Choose Wi-Fi connection. Scroll down, on, Establish Wi-Fi connection. Perfect. Now, it tells you your password right there, and it tells you the network ID. Next, you're gonna go to your phone, go to the settings, go to Wi-Fi, and you're gonna find this same network and access that network. So now we are connected, and the next thing that we need to do is navigate to the Nikon SnapBridge app. You'll choose the top left icon on the SnapBridge app. It's a little camera icon. Then you'll choose Download Pictures. Now on the screen, you'll see that all of these recent photos that we just took are all labeled as RAW. So now we'll select a few of the photos and we'll choose Download. Now, this is a big thing. Don't choose JPEG. Choose Original Format. Now we're transferring that file from the camera right to the phone. It takes a little bit because it's a large file size, so just be patient with it, and it'll be done in a second. Great, we're done. Now, we'll open up the Lightroom mobile app. You're gonna need an Adobe subscription to actually get into this, but I'll show you how to add a photo if you've already gotten one. So you'll open it up, and down here at the bottom right, you'll see the little picture plus. Choose that, then choose From Camera Roll. Now the photo we just transferred is on the top left. We'll select it, and it's gonna add it to our Lightroom mobile catalog. So now here, we can make our edits, just like Lightroom does normally, and then export your photo, export to camera roll, and we're done. I hope that helped you. I hope that wasn't too long. We're gonna start doing every 2 weeks, we're gonna post a new video, so please be sure to subscribe and let us know in the comments if this helped you at all. We'll see you on the next one.